guys! Welcome to Trip na Trip YouTube channel. And today, for the first time, mag-unbox tayo ng items sa channel ni Trip na Trip. And today, i-unbox natin yung Spark Fly More Combo. If nagbabala kayo bumili ito, this is it. I-unbox natin siya and bigyan na rin natin ng a little bit review. And kapag decided na kayo bumili, yung link na sa description lang. I-click nyo lang para mag-direct kayo sa Lazada for this item. Right now, mabibili nyo to sa Lazada for 31,699 pesos. So, if ayaw nyo ng hassle shopping, pumunta lang kayo sa Lazada, yung link na sa description lang. I-click nyo lang para mag-direct kayo sa kanilang online shopping. Alright guys, without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Bali, ito yung kanyang pinaka-box. Yung kanyang box is nakalagay siya sa malaking box. And yung kinuha namin is color white siya. And unbox ko na lang siya ng paganitong angle para kitang-kita nyo. And dahil wala tayong scissors ngayon kasi iwan ko sa bahay, mayroon tayong special na pangbukas. Excited na ako. Inside the box, meron kayong makikita dito na aircraft body, remote control, intelligent flight, charger, battery charging hub, propeller guard, quick release folding propellers, micro USB storage box, and shoulder bag. I-open na natin siya and let's see what's inside the box. Okay. Ayan lang. Ito yung kanyang pinaka shoulder bag, yung unang-unang kasama niya. And inside the box, nandito yung kanyang remote control. Yung remote control niya is pwede nyo siya i-connect sa inyong mobile phone para makita nyo yung view nyo from your drones. And this one yung kanyang charger. Yung adapter ng kanyang charger. Dito to nilalagay. Propeller guard, meron tayong 4 para sa kanya propeller. And then yung mga laman ng kanyang shoulder bag. And meron din siyang kasamang manuals na sobrang dami na hindi naman binabasa. And of course, yung ating DJI Spark Fly More Combo. Ito yung kanyang pinaka-drone. Ayan. So, yung kinuha natin is color white. And then, it comes na siya with yung kanyang battery. Meron na siyang battery and ito yung kanyang extra battery. And that's it, yan yung mga makikita nyong item sa loob ng DJI Spark More Combo. And as I promise, bibigyan natin siya ng a little bit review. Magkukuha tayo ng sample for this item.
The summer's calling. overthrown. Meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling. As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
And there you have it, guys. That is our unboxing and a little bit review for this DJI Spark S'more combo. And soon gagawa pa tayo ng maraming videos about this DJI and magta-try tayo ng maraming sample videos para mapakita namin sa inyo. And if interested na kayo bumili nito, again, yung link nasa description lang. I-click nyo lang para mag-direct kayo sa Lazada for this item. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please also subscribe to Tripnatrip YouTube channel. And I guess I'll see you on our next video. Bye!